What is TCM?
It is a silver needle, a piece of moxa, and a good recipe. It is to reconcile yin and yang, to smooth meridians and
Collateral.
and to condition zang and fu. It is to understand life and the world and to solve the problems of health.
Let's look for the profound and extensive wisdom of TCM in the vast sea of Chinese medical classics.
Let's encounter the professional medical masters we've long admired among the remarkable doctors in both ancient and modern times.
In TCM, there are views of oneness between man and nature.
The moderate and peaceful outlook on health, the foreseeing and preventive idea of health preservation, and the concept of treatment to achieve the balance.
Once you understand TCM, you are a qualified health keeper.
A silver needle and a piece of burning moxa may have magic. Dao Yin and Tuina may judge meridians. Cupping and scrubbing dispel one's dampness and cold. Plasters, pellets, pills, and powders may make different effects.
TCM
In the Chinese medicine, including the doctrine of the mean, the theory of harmony, and the art of balance in medicine.
TCM is not only the mystical practice of doctors or the vast classics,
but also all the wisdom that's integrated into our daily life.